Take a look at the proof. Liqui Moly Valve Clean actually works. Let's see some results. You see these intake valves before and after on a direct injection engine or GDI. Now, I'm going to show you guys just how we did this. We tried this product in the past and we added it to the fuel tank of a non-direct injection engine, but this time we're adding Liqui Moly to our giant sprayer. After all, Liqui Moly does say it removes valve gunk and cleans the entire fuel system. You'll see we put it to the test. Next, remove the air box and air filter. This way, we can access the intake. Now, we'll start the vehicle up and make sure we bring it up to operating temperatures. Then, the next step, raise your RPMs from 2500 to 3000. Do not exceed 3000 RPMs.
Reach your hand in around these belts like this.
Once you're finished, lower your RPM. I use a pipe to hold my throttle down. Next, reassemble everything in the reverse order that you had taken it out. Once you're finished with this, allow your vehicle to heat soak for 2 hours. Now, once you're back, take it on a highway spin for 10 to 15 minutes. It's finally time for you guys to see the results. Be sure and drop a comment below. Let me know what you think about Liqui Moly Valve Clean. Now let's take a look with our borescope camera. I was definitely shocked at the results. I've tried a lot of fuel cleaners, fuel additives, and fuel treatments. You name it, I've tried it. But I'm not sure if any of the cleaners had this type of results. And if you want to know more information about this product, I'll include a link in the description below. Get ready to get wrenching for the next upcoming video, and thanks for watching Nate's Interactive Auto.